Sort of confusing. In the ruling of the Supreme Court, we're meant to understand that
Judgement.
that the security agencies messed up the whole thing. So there was illegality in the addition of Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria. The court acknowledged that. But I'm so shocked that he has also perfected the wrongs of the federal government. He recognized they were wrong, and then why taking back the same case to the Federal High Court? What's the meaning of that? You put illegality on illegality. That's what it is. So I do hope that the world would rise up and speak, and speak now. Injustice to Nnamdi Kanu is injustice everywhere. Yeah. It's a case of intimidation, suppression, and subjugation. But I assure you, it won't last for too long. Nnamdi Kanu is mentally fit to confront whatever comes his way. But I do know that at the end, victory will come.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.